Now next, concept of investment multiplier. This is the very important concept, because with the help of this concept you have to calculate the numerical. So first of all you have to know the meaning. What is investment multiplier? Investment multiplier is the measure of the changes in the national income with the result of change in investment. In another words, we can say that investment multiplier is the ratio of the increase in national income due to increase in investment. So symbolically we can write investment multiplier K. K denotes multiplier. K equal to change in national income divided by change in investment. This is known as investment multiplier. K means multiplier equal delta y by delta I. Delta means change in national income due to change in investment. Means that when investment increases, then also income increases. So what will be the multiplier? So as for example, I am going to say that here increase in investment, increase in investment rupees 4,000, then increase in national income rupees 16,000. So what will be the multiplier or K? So you have to find out the K. So now answer will be K equal to the formula delta y by delta I, equal to delta y 16,000 and delta I 4,000, equal to 4. So the K will be 4. The multiplier will be 4, because when 4,000 invested, then the national income increases 16,000. So 4 times. So K represents multiplier 4. So multiplier means it is the measure of the increase in national income with the result of increase in investment. This is the formula and also the calculation. Now next, relationship between multiplier and MPC. Relationship between multiplier and MPC. VVI, very very important. So at equilibrium level, y equal to c plus I. This is the equilibrium condition. We have to find out the equilibrium level of income and output. Then we write this formula y equal to c plus I. Y means aggregate supply and c plus I means aggregate demand. Y means aggregate supply, another name of y is aggregate supply, equal to c plus I, component of aggregate demand. So AD equal AS. So equilibrium condition will be y equal to c plus I. Now y equal to c plus I, change the both side. Change. So delta y equal to delta c plus delta I. Next, dividing both sides by delta y. Dividing both sides by delta y. So delta y divided by delta y equal delta c by delta y plus delta I by delta y. So delta y cancelled. So now 1 equal del C by del Y. Del C by del Y means MPC, marginal propensity to consume, plus del I by del Y. This means that we have written here K equal to delta Y by delta I. K equal to del Y by del I. Here del Y, del I by del Y. So we can write 1 by K. Now next, K equal 1 by 1 minus MPC. So K equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. This is the relationship between the MPC and K. So here the relationship we can see that when the value of MPC, when value of MPC increases, the value of K also increases. This means that there is a direct relationship between MPC and multiplier. Direct relationship between MPC and multiplier. When the value of MPC increases, K also increases. When the value of MPC decreases, the value of K also decreases. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. This means that when the household increases consumptions, then the multiplier will increase. So there is a direct relationship of MPC and K. So this is the relationship between MPC and multiplier. So today up to this, next day I will start numerical. Thank you.